Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Best Woodworking. The journey of plywood production begins with logging, a process where forests are carefully selected and managed to ensure sustainable timber harvesting. Once selected, trees are felled using powerful machinery such as chainsaws or harvesters. This machinery cuts trees at the base, making them fall in a controlled manner to prevent damage to surrounding trees. After felling, the logs are transported to a nearby processing facility by trucks or river floats, depending on accessibility. Efficient transportation is key, as timber loses moisture and quality over time, impacting the final plywood product. Upon reaching the mill, logs are sorted, debarked, and conditioned. Conditioning involves soaking or steaming the logs to soften the wood, which aids in peeling. Large rotary lathes then peel these logs into thin sheets or veneers by rotating the log against a sharp blade, creating sheets as thin as 1/16 of an inch. These veneers are cut to size and dried to the desired moisture content to prevent warping and ensure durability. Next comes the assembly phase, where veneers are stacked in alternating grain directions to enhance strength and stability. Adhesive resin is applied between each veneer, and the stack is pressed under high heat and pressure, bonding the layers into a single, robust plywood sheet. The sheets are then trimmed to precise dimensions, sanded and checked for quality. Each piece undergoes rigorous testing to meet industry standards, ensuring that the plywood is strong, reliable, and suited for various applications. At the Frontier OS-27 sawmill, large logs are transformed with precision into panels tailored for interior applications. This sturdy, portable sawmill is engineered to handle hefty raw logs and streamline them into panels with high accuracy and consistency, making it ideal for projects where precision and craftsmanship are paramount. When logs arrive at the sawmill, they're carefully assessed to determine the best way to maximize usable wood and achieve the desired thickness and finish. The OS-27's robust build allows for handling logs of significant diameter, while its intuitive adjustments enable accurate, repeatable cuts. Each log is first stripped of excess bark and irregularities to ensure clean lines and minimize waste. The sawmill's bandsaw, equipped with high-tension blades, glides through wood effortlessly, producing smooth, even cuts that reveal the natural grain patterns within the log. As each log is sliced, the OS-27 settings can be adjusted for varying panel thicknesses, catering to specific project requirements. This versatility is crucial in creating custom interior wood paneling, where uniform thickness and consistent quality are essential. The process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the wood, but also ensures that the panels are easy to install and durable. By processing wood on-site with the Frontier OS-27, production costs are minimized and the environmental impact is reduced compared to transporting pre-cut panels from off-site facilities. Additionally, working with raw, unprocessed logs allows for greater control over the finished product, preserving the natural beauty and characteristics unique to each piece of wood. The panels created from the OS27's efficient and meticulous process are perfect for interior projects, from rustic cabin walls to sleek contemporary home accents. Whether used in their raw form or refined further, the panels retain the integrity of the original wood, giving each piece a distinctive warmth and authenticity only possible through on-site milling. Timber harvesting with the Nasilla N5 machine. The future of efficient thinning, the Nasilla N5 harvester represents a significant leap in timber harvesting technology, combining cutting-edge engineering with unmatched efficiency. This new 6-wheel harvester is designed for optimal performance in thinning operations, making it an essential tool for forestry professionals. Equipped with the Nasilla 500H harvester head, the N5 offers superior precision and versatility. The 500H head is renowned for its rapid processing capabilities, allowing operators to fell, delimbs, and buck trees with remarkable speed and accuracy. This efficiency not only enhances productivity, but also minimizes the environmental impact of timber harvesting, as it reduces the time machinery spends on site. The Nasilla N5 harvester exemplifies the future of timber harvesting, where efficiency meets sustainability. By investing in such advanced machinery, forestry operations can significantly improve their productivity while adhering to eco-friendly practices. As the demand for sustainable timber increases, the Nasilla N5 is poised to lead the charge in innovative harvesting solutions, ensuring that the industry evolves to meet both economic and environmental goals. Embrace the future of efficient thinning with the Nasilla N5, a game changer in timber harvesting technology. At Wimmer Sawmill number 001, the journey of the majestic tree trunks begins as they arrive fresh from the forest, having been carefully harvested. These towering giants, each with a unique story etched in their bark, are transported to the sawmill where they undergo a transformative process. The sawdust and wood shavings produced during this process do not go to waste. They are collected and repurposed for use in other industries, including biomass energy production and particle board manufacturing. This commitment to sustainability reflects Wimmer's dedication to minimizing environmental impact. Wimmer Sawmill number 001 prides itself on not just producing high-quality timber, but also on fostering a connection between nature and craftsmanship. Each board represents a blend of natural beauty and skilled craftsmanship, promising to contribute to countless projects, from cozy homes to stunning furniture, thus continuing the tree's legacy in a new form. The Cambio 800 debarker, paired with the CIM 750 infeed, offers an efficient solution for processing timber. This advanced system ensures precise debarking, enhancing wood quality and reducing waste. The CIM 750 infeed optimizes the flow of logs into the debarker, improving operational efficiency and minimizing downtime. Together, these machines deliver high-performance results, making them ideal for sawmills and wood processing facilities. With robust construction and user-friendly controls, the Cambio 800 and CIM 750 combination stands out for its reliability and effectiveness, meeting the demands of modern forestry operations. After peeling the bark off the tree trunk, the process of producing boards for veneer boxes begins. The debarked logs are carefully sliced into thin sheets, known as veneers, using specialized machinery. Each veneer is meticulously inspected for quality, ensuring it meets the required standards for strength and aesthetics. Once cut, the veneers are dried to remove excess moisture, enhancing their durability and preventing warping. Finally, the dried sheets are stacked and packaged, ready for use in crafting elegant veneer boxes that showcase the natural beauty of the wood while providing sturdy, lightweight storage solutions. In the heart of the picturesque Alfred Nicholas Gardens, a monumental task unfolded as a massive mountain ash was swiftly cut down using a powerful chainsaw. This majestic tree, once a centerpiece of the gardens, stood sentinel over a stunning rock water feature and the main entry area, captivating visitors with its grandeur. However, the beauty of nature can often mask underlying dangers. Managed by Parks Victoria, the gardens are a sanctuary for flora and fauna, as well as a beloved recreational spot for the community. Unfortunately, the mountain ash, a tree renowned for its height and resilience, had succumbed to age and environmental stressors. After years of providing shade and aesthetic appeal, it began shedding dead limbs, posing a significant risk to the safety of the public. The decision to remove the tree was not made lightly. The safety of visitors must always take precedence. The removal process was both a spectacle and a demonstration of skill. Equipped with a big chainsaw, a team of experienced arborists approached the task with precision and care. Each cut was strategically planned, ensuring the tree fell safely, away from the water feature and pathways. Spectators watched in awe as the chainsaw roared to life, its teeth biting into the massive trunk, sending shavings flying. In mere moments, what was once a towering giant became a carefully managed heap of timber. This operation highlights the balance between preserving nature and ensuring public safety. While the loss of the mountain ash is felt deeply, the decision to remove it reflects a commitment to maintaining the beauty and integrity of the Alfred Nicholas Gardens for generations to come. The Eschelbach Biber 84 is a remarkable piece of machinery that combines compact design with outstanding performance capabilities. Engineered for efficiency, this chipper is ideal for various wood processing applications, making it a versatile choice for professionals in the industry. One of the standout features of the Biber 84 is its optional hydraulic fan, which allows for continuous speed adjustment independently of the chipping rotor. This innovative design significantly enhances the wood chip flow, ensuring optimal processing conditions. By fine-tuning the fan speed, operators can reduce wear on the machine, leading to a longer lifespan and decreased maintenance costs. Moreover, the precise control over chip flow contributes to producing high-quality wood chips. The ability to adjust the fan speed means that users can achieve consistent chip sizes and textures, catering to specific project requirements. Whether for biomass energy production, landscaping, or other wood-based applications, the Biber 84 excels in delivering superior results.